Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pace, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon. Then here you need to find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the display, so let me find display. From the display, let's select wallpaper, and as you can see here, you can use wallpaper from your gallery, from live wallpapers, from photos, or simply from system wallpapers. Let me use the last option, system wallpapers. And here we've got a few wallpapers that you can pick. In my case, let me use, for example, the following one. Let's choose set wallpaper. And that's it. Now if you go back to your home screen, you should see new wallpaper. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.